Exciting rumors about Nikon's highly anticipated Z90 camera are creating a buzz in the photography community. This new model is expected to bring professional-grade features into a compact APS-C mirrorless body, potentially reshaping the market. But is the Nikon Z90 coming, or are fans just hoping for the best? In this video, we'll explore the latest leaks, potential specifications, and how the Z90 could revolutionize the photography landscape. Overview of the Nikon Z90. Recent leaks from reliable industry insiders suggest that Nikon is developing a high-end APS-C mirrorless camera positioned above the existing Z50 lineup. Dubbed the Nikon Z90, this camera isn't just an upgrade to the Z50 Mark II. It's being positioned as a mini Nikon Z9, offering a portable yet powerful solution for photography enthusiasts and professionals alike. The Z90 is expected to serve as Nikon's new APS-C flagship, delivering cutting-edge performance that could rival some full-frame models. Expected specifications. If these rumors hold, the Nikon Z90 is shaping up to be an impressive powerhouse, packed with exciting features that cater to both photographers and videographers. Some of the most anticipated specs include sensor and image quality. A brand new 33-megapixel APS-C sensor, offering unprecedented resolution in the DX format. Enhanced low-light performance with an extended ISO range, likely starting from ISO 100 and reaching beyond 51,200. Improved dynamic range, ensuring stunning image quality across various lighting conditions. Video capabilities. 4K video recording at 60 frames per second, making it a strong competitor in the hybrid camera market. 10-bit internal recording, delivering richer color depth and post-production flexibility. Support for Nikon's N-Log profile, enabling better dynamic range for professional workflows. In-body image stabilization. A first for Nikon's APS-C mirrorless lineup, the Z90 is rumored to feature 5-axis IBIS, offering up to 5 stops of stabilization, which is crucial for handheld shooting. Burst shooting and buffer. An impressive 20 frames per second continuous shooting speed, perfect for action and wildlife photography. A substantial buffer capacity of up to 1,000 frames, allows for extended shooting sessions without lag. Autofocus system. A next-generation AI-powered autofocus system, similar to Nikon's flagship Z9. Eye and animal detection, ensuring precise focusing in a variety of scenarios. Wide AF coverage, providing accurate subject tracking across the entire frame. Design and build. A rugged, compact body, borrowing design elements from the Z9. A fully articulating touchscreen LCD, perfect for vloggers and content creators. A high-resolution 3.69 million electronic viewfinder for a clear, detailed viewing experience. Connectivity and battery life. USB-C support for fast data transfer and in-camera charging. Compatibility with the ENEL25 battery, already used in the Z50. Dual card slots, likely supporting SD and CF Express Type A cards. Market position and competition. The Nikon Z90 aims to carve out a niche for photographers who desire advanced features in a compact form factor without leaping to full frame. With this launch, Nikon hopes to challenge dominant APS-C competitors such as Fujifilm X-T5 is known for its iconic design and outstanding color science. Sony A6700, which boasts industry-leading autofocus and video capabilities. By offering Nikon's renowned ergonomics and lens ecosystem in a more accessible package, the Z90 could entice users who prioritize a balance of performance and portability. Expected release date and pricing. While Nikon hasn't officially confirmed the Z90, speculation points to a 2025 announcement, possibly aligning with holiday season sales. Regarding pricing, the Z90 is expected to sit in the premium APS-C category, with a price point likely ranging between $1,500 and $2,000, positioning it close to entry-level full-frame cameras. Potential challenges. Despite the exciting rumors, it's essential to approach them with a level of caution. Notable industry experts, such as Tom Hogan, have pointed out the absence of significant leaks, which may indicate the Z90 is still in early development or Nikon's priorities may have shifted. Nikon has historically focused more on its full-frame lineup, and whether the Z90 will become a reality remains uncertain. However, the increasing demand for high-end APS-C cameras might push Nikon to expand its mirrorless DX lineup. Conclusion. The rumored Nikon Z90 has the potential to set a new benchmark in the APS-C mirrorless market. If Nikon delivers on the rumored specs, it could be a game-changer for enthusiasts and professionals seeking top-tier performance in a compact package. As always, rumors should be taken with a grain of salt until official confirmation arrives. If you're excited about the potential of the Nikon Z90, be sure to stay tuned for further updates as more information emerges.